Perfect. Everything looking good. One more check of the lines. My lines are attached to my snaffle and they're above everything. A lot of times it's very easy for straps to end up above your drive lines. So make sure whenever you do this that there's nothing on top of the drive lines. And then I'm gonna come over here and Robert, if you'll untie them. He's fixing a quarter strap over here. That's another fun fact as well. The quarter straps, which are the brakes, they go under the tugs. It's just one more thing keeping that breeching down. And if my horse was to get scared or worried, we don't want the breeching to come off. That's the whole point of the crooper.